Welcome. In today's video, I'm going to walk you through the simple steps to export your messages from private channels on the Telegram app for PC after the latest update. If you've been looking for a way to back up or review your messages outside Telegram, this quick guide will show you everything you need to know, step by step. First, open the Telegram app on your PC. Once it's launched, look to the top left side of your screen. You'll see the familiar three-line menu icon. Click on it to access the main menu. From there, navigate down to Settings and select it. Inside the Settings menu, you'll find a section called Advanced. Open that next, as this is where Telegram hides all the deeper tools and options you might not use every day. Scroll down within the Advanced settings until you locate the option labeled Export Telegram Data. This is the feature that allows you to directly save your conversations, media, and other personal data from the app. Now, because we only want messages from private channels, make sure to carefully adjust the export settings. You'll see a list of different types of data you can export. Check only the option for private channels and also select Only My Messages. This ensures Telegram will prepare a copy of only your own content instead of the entire channel's conversation. Once you've chosen the right settings, go ahead and click on Export. Telegram will then start creating a data package for you. Depending on how many messages you have, this could take a little time, so just allow the process to finish. When the export is complete, you'll see an option that says Show My Data. Click on that, and Telegram will open the folder containing your exported messages. From here, you can browse all your saved conversations directly on your computer, completely outside the app. And that's it. You've successfully exported your messages from private channels on Telegram using the PC version with the new update. This is a great way to keep a backup of your important conversations, or simply store them for reference. If you found this walkthrough helpful, make sure to save these steps for next time. Thanks for following along.